Small bathroom decoration ideas might seem like a challenge at first, but once you understand the principles behind good design, they actually become one of the most rewarding spaces to work on. Because when space is limited, every single choice matters more. And that means even small improvements can completely transform how your bathroom feels, looks, and functions. One of the biggest advantages of decorating a small bathroom is that you don't need a huge budget to make a noticeable impact. Unlike larger rooms where you might need multiple furniture pieces or expensive renovations to see a change, in a small bathroom, even simple updates like lighting, mirrors, or color choices can create a dramatic difference. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants a stylish home without spending too much money. Another major benefit is how quickly you can achieve results. Small bathrooms don't require long planning or complicated setups. A few thoughtful decisions can instantly make the space feel cleaner, more modern, and more comfortable. That instant transformation is one of the most satisfying parts of working with compact spaces. Now, when we talk about decorating small bathrooms, one of the most important ideas you need to keep in mind is the illusion of space. You're not just decorating, you're visually expanding the room. Light colors play a huge role here. Soft whites, creams, light grays, and pastel tones help reflect light and make the walls feel like they're further apart than they actually are. This doesn't mean your bathroom has to be boring or plain. You can still add personality through textures, accents, and small decorative details. Mirrors are another powerful tool. In small bathrooms, a mirror isn't just functional, it becomes a design feature. A large mirror above the sink or even a wall-to-wall mirror can double the visual space instantly. It reflects both natural and artificial light, making the room feel brighter and more open. If you want to take it a step further, placing the mirror opposite a light source or a window enhances this effect even more. Lighting is often underestimated, but it completely changes the atmosphere. A small bathroom with poor lighting will always feel smaller and more cramped than it really is. Soft, layered lighting works best. Instead of relying on a single overhead bulb, combining ceiling lights with wall sconces or mirror lights creates depth. Warm lighting also adds a sense of comfort and relaxation, which is exactly what you want in a bathroom. Storage is another key element in small bathroom design. The goal is to keep things organized without cluttering the space. Floating shelves are a great option because they use vertical space without taking up floor area. You can use them for towels, small baskets, or decorative items like plants or candles. Over-the-toilet storage is another smart solution that turns an often wasted area into something functional and stylish. Speaking of functionality, one of the biggest benefits of decorating a small bathroom well is how much easier it becomes to maintain cleanliness. When everything has a designated place and unnecessary clutter is removed, cleaning becomes faster and more efficient. A well-organized bathroom doesn't just look better, it also feels more relaxing and hygienic. Now let's talk about decorative ideas that bring personality into the space without overwhelming it. One of the easiest ways to do this is through accessories. Matching soap dispensers, minimalist toothbrush holders, and coordinated towel sets can make the entire bathroom feel more put together. These small details might seem simple, but they create a strong visual harmony. Plants are also a fantastic addition. Even in small bathrooms, a bit of greenery can make the space feel fresh and alive. Humidity-loving plants like pothos or small ferns work especially well. If you don't have natural light, artificial plants can still provide that natural aesthetic without maintenance. Another idea is using texture to add depth. Since small bathrooms often rely on light color schemes, texture becomes the element that prevents the design from feeling flat. This can be achieved through pattern tiles, woven baskets, wooden accents, or even textured shower curtains. The key is balance, not overloading the space, but introducing enough variation to keep it visually interesting. Shower areas also offer great opportunities for decoration. A glass shower door instead of a curtain can instantly make the bathroom feel larger because it removes visual barriers. If you prefer curtains, choosing a light, simple design helps maintain openness. Inside the shower, built-in niches or corner shelves keep products organized without cluttering the edges. Another smart approach is minimizing visual noise. In small bathrooms, too many colors, patterns, or objects can make the space feel chaotic. Sticking to a consistent color palette creates a calm and unified look. Even when adding contrast, it should feel intentional and controlled rather than random. One of the most overlooked benefits of good small bathroom design is how it improves your daily routine. When your environment is clean, organized, and visually pleasing, it naturally creates a more relaxing experience. Even something as simple as brushing your teeth or taking a shower feels more enjoyable when the space around you is well designed. You should also think about vertical design opportunities. Walls are often underused in small bathrooms. Hanging cabinets, vertical towel racks, or tall narrow shelves allow you to store more without sacrificing floor space. This keeps the room open while still being highly functional. Another suggestion is to choose compact fixtures. Smaller sinks, slim vanities, and wall-mounted toilets can free up valuable space. This doesn't just improve movement within the bathroom, it also enhances the overall aesthetic by making the room feel less crowded. A very effective trick is using continuity in design. When floors and walls share similar tones or materials, the boundaries of the room become less visually obvious, which makes everything feel larger. Even simple tile choices can have a big impact on this illusion. Continuing from that idea, one of the most powerful mindset shifts you can make when decorating a small bathroom is to treat it like a designed experience, rather than just a functional room. In larger spaces, decoration can sometimes be about filling emptiness. In a small bathroom, it's the opposite. You're shaping how the space feels through restraint, precision, and intention. A great way to elevate that experience is by thinking about how the bathroom engages the senses. For example, scent plays a surprisingly important role. A small space holds fragrance better, so using subtle diffusers, scented candles, or natural essential oils can instantly make the bathroom feel more luxurious. Clean, fresh scents like eucalyptus, lavender, or citrus are especially effective because they reinforce the feeling of cleanliness and calm. Sound is another overlooked element. Even something as simple as reducing echo through soft materials like bath mats, fabric shower curtains, or wooden accents can make the space feel less harsh and more comfortable. A small bathroom can sometimes feel cold or loud due to hard surfaces, so softening that acoustically adds to the sense of comfort. Another idea that works extremely well in small bathroom decoration is creating focal points. Instead of trying to decorate every corner equally, choose one area that draws attention. It could be a beautifully framed mirror, a stylish vanity, a statement light fixture, or even an accent wall with textured tiles. When the eye has a clear focal point, the rest of the space feels more organized and less chaotic. Minimalism also becomes much more powerful in small bathrooms. But minimalism doesn't mean empty. It means curated. It means choosing fewer items but better ones. For example, instead of multiple small decorations scattered around, one elegant vase, one neatly folded towel stack, and one high-quality soap dispenser can create a far more sophisticated look. The space feels intentional rather than crowded. You can also use contrast strategically. While light colors expand space visually, a touch of darker tone can add depth and character. This could be a black faucet, a dark wood shelf, or a deep-colored accessory. The key is balance. Too much contrast can shrink the space visually, but small controlled accents create elegance and structure. Another practical but highly effective idea is keeping surfaces as clear as possible. Countertops in small bathrooms tend to collect clutter very quickly, and this immediately makes the space feel smaller. The more items you can store inside cabinets or hidden compartments, the more open and breathable the room will feel. Even switching from multiple exposed bottles to uniform containers can make a noticeable difference. If you want a more spa-like atmosphere, consider layering natural materials. Wood, stone, linen, and ceramic elements all work beautifully in small bathrooms because they add warmth without overwhelming the space. A wooden shelf, a stone soap dish, or a linen towel can subtly transform the mood from purely functional to relaxing and high-end. Ultimately, the beauty of small bathroom decoration is that it teaches you to focus on what truly matters. There's no room for unnecessary items or random clutter. Every piece has a purpose, whether it's functional, decorative, or both. And when everything is intentional, the result feels more refined and peaceful. So if you're working with a small bathroom, don't see it as a limitation. See it as an opportunity to create something smart, elegant, and efficient. With the right combination of lighting, color, storage, and decorative details, even the smallest bathroom can feel like a well-designed personal retreat.